What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be finishing up the FRS. So in the last video I put in the inner tie rods from Megan Racing, and I decided I'm actually going to do the outer tie rods also. Honestly, this will probably be a real quick video because there's not that much to it. Basically I got it's called a brand called Phase 2 Motoring, or P2M. They look pretty nice and everything, kind of look like a Megan Racing knockoff or whatnot. For the price, it wasn't bad. I'll show you what they look like. So basically in the kit, what you get is 2 outer tie rods and 2 cotter pins. So basically I'm gonna take the old ones off and put the new ones on. Alright, so basically what you're gonna do is this nut right here, it's 19 millimeter. You just want to loosen that and then just take an adjustable for this one and basically just break those loose and it should come right off. Alright, so now that I had the old one off, basically what you want to do is basically just put some lock thread on here and just basically just keep on turning it until you kind of want to keep this as straight as possible so the alignment won't be too bad. So once I get done with this, I will show you where to put the cotter pins. Alright, so now that I got everything done, you're basically going to want to take the cotter pins, and there's holes. You basically just want to put them right through it on both ends, tighten them, put Loctite on it, and basically that's it. It's quick, simple, easy. The only thing you have to worry about is, well, you're going to have to get alignment anyways. But what you could do is you could try to get it as straight as possible. I'm not going to say that every time you're going to make it straight. But I got it as straight as I possibly can, so I'm happy with it. I'm basically just going to do the other side now. And hopefully you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.